On October 22, 2023, a Euclid police officer spotted a stolen vehicle while on patrol in Euclid, Ohio.
I didn't like them up here. We're still west on Euclid. You good now? Pulling the Speedway. I'm about to light them up. Yo, shut off the car!
I think they pulled into that gas station just to see if the cops were following them. But one thing we'll learn from this video is that everything that seems exciting and fun is not always what it's cracked up to be.
Turn off the car! Turn the car off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Yo, shut off the car! Turn off the car! Turn the car off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Turn off the car, do it now. Turn off the car. Turn off the car, do it now. Put it in park. Put the car in park. Stop. Stop the car. Stop the car. You gotta go. Stop the car.
Oh, no, don't do that. Ooh.
Oh, shit.
The initial officer quickly radioed a description of the fleeing vehicle, which had already gained significant distance.
Radio, he dragged 82. He's north on 222nd. Get ready to come up to North Lakeland. He just dragged 82 from the car. He's got a gun. We're approaching St. Clair. We're getting ready to approach St. Clair. Alright, past St. Clair, we're still northbound. Coming to North Lakeland. We got one stolen PO, and car stolen.
Fortunately, another police unit was nearby and picked up the pursuit.
Man, let me tell you, this has got to be an adrenaline rush. Like, I've never been in a situation, but to flee from the police and have the police after you speeding, and it's so many emotions going through your brain and your mind, and you might be the perfect driver, but the emotions and the adrenaline rush, most of these car chases end with the person getting in an accident. Most of them end like that. So this is something that could that could end with, with you not being with us anymore. I'd rather take a charge for a gun charge or a stolen car charge than to put my life at risk. But that's just me. Let's go.
We got one stolen PO, and car stolen.
The stolen vehicle sped through the streets, recklessly driving on the wrong side of the road and endangering other motorists.
They're gaining on you. Is that a tire flat? The tire's gone? When it's multiple, when you hear when you see multiple cars, hear multiple sirens, it's over. It's over. It's too many of them. Okay, losing track of one, possible. Losing track of two, maybe. But 3, 4, 5 police cars, you're not you're not gonna lose track of all of them. Unless you got like a well thought out plan, it's not gonna happen. Pit move. Pit.
In a dramatic turn, a police cruiser heading in the opposite direction collided almost head-on with the suspect.
Oh. Could've just did pit. Yeah, just do it now. There you go.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Can you shut my thing off real quick?
This is my fucking birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Now look, I think she was a passenger. So, you know, whether she honestly knew that this was a stolen car or not, we'll never know that. But it's just a reminder that you have to watch the people you hang out with. You know, if you know somebody who does criminal activity and you still friends with them and you be around them and you say, well, you know, they do that, but you know, they'll never do that when I'm around because they know how I am. Do you think they gonna stop their criminal activity just because you right there? No.
Is you fucking serious, bro?
We got the car stopped. You alright, Ben?
Am I in trouble?
Yeah?
Just put her in mine. Put her in here. Well,
Go over.
on, sir.
Sit down.
Go ahead. I copy an 82 injured and has somebody with him. Right in, 50.
Did you pick it up yet? Hold on. Wait a minute, Stiggy. Wait a minute. Let me just. All right. The magazine on Speedway. Yeah. Yeah, so this was in the front seat.
He was sitting there?
I think he tried to pull it out on Shane.
Red shoes.
273s.
Jordan 11s.
Huh?
Jordan 11s.
Yeah.
Is that what these are?
Those are 11s, yeah.
Interesting. And there was a gun?
Yeah, that's what Thompson said. The driver had the gun in his hand.
Anderson Upper Valley, 20-year-old male. He is valid gun.
Trying to figure out how to get these seats down. Here we go. Got a whole bunch of shoes in here, man.
Yeah, but I don't know who's the owners and who's.
Well, I want to know who had the white jacket. I think it was
Boys Club. So we got everyone in here, right?
yeah. So everybody's in custody.
All right, I'm gonna take the stuff back to my car.
Dang.
This fucking thing kept hitting on flock, so I'm like, fuck it, let me just find it.
This ain't good.
Go ahead. Is it stolen?
Yeah.
Huh? What's your social security number? Date of birth?
He's injured and has somebody with him. Right.
All right, young lady, what's your name? What's your name, man? With a K?
C.
Were you driving?
Yes.
Okay.
They told me to keep going.
Okay.
He threw his gun on my lap.
Where was the gun at?
He threw his gun on me.
Okay.
While in the back seat of the police vehicle, the driver discreetly pulled something from his pants and attempted to hide it.
Whether they find it now or they find it when you get to the jail, they're going to find it. So you might as well tell them now. Whatever it is, you might as well tell them now because they're going to find it.
The driver now faces multiple charges, including felony assault, 3 counts of failure to comply, possessing a weapon while under disability, and improper handling of firearms in a motor vehicle.
Yeah, photograph. We caught everybody. There's no one outstanding, so it shouldn't be.
You have one for traffic warrants out of Parma. That's it. That's a female that's in my car.
So the male was driving though, right?
Yes.
Who's got the male?
That's Thompson's car.
Okay.
But he's identifying himself as Corey Lawrence. However, he says he's a schizo and he's playing the game.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
he's going to county.
Yeah.
For the idea of there. So,
okay.
but we got
to identify him then.
well, either we got to get him checked out since he got in that car accident.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Yeah.
This guy comes back to him. I'll pull a photo of him.
All right.
He's good.
He's got nothing.
Nothing. No.
Where was he at in the car?
Back right seat.
So he might have had been on with Molly since it was. This is where I located the white jacket.
Yeah, I'll let narcotics handle that.
Yeah.
Whoever's writing the report just needs to document where each person was sitting in the car. That's all.
Yeah.
Just so we have it confirmed.
Man, you know what I hate is that that's a stolen car. So the owner of that car, the car that they worked hard for, has to deal with the damages afterwards. Has to deal with not having a car for a certain amount of time. Their insurance probably will pay out, but that process and how that goes it's a struggle because the insurance is not gonna give you what you owe on the car. So you still will be paying something on a car that you don't have. And that's terrible, man. But yeah, watch who you hang out with, man. You might see these people post on social media about they getting this money here and that money there, and find out exactly how they're getting it. Make sure it's illegal, all right? Because they don't tell you the dark side of doing this illegal stuff. The stuff you have to go through, the risks that you take. All they show you is how they feel when they're getting away with it. But when they get caught, because they all get caught, it's a totally different story. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Make sure you give it a like, all right? Go down in the comment section. Tell me your thoughts. I appreciate all the support. I'll see y'all in the next one.